When looking for bearish continuations with the Awesome Oscillator's bearish saucer setup, we'll be looking for a few green bars heading up to zero to indicate a brief pause in bearish momentum following a bearish zero line crossover. It would then be preferable to see a series of red bars going lower than the last green bar, while at the same time price begins to accelerate lower. Though as seen on this chart, these characteristics might not always appear at the exact same time as each other. With another bearish zero line crossover starting a stronger downtrend, we can again practice looking for those few green bars appearing after the initial bearish acceleration. So far, this is turning out to be an ideal case. There are at least 2 green bars, followed by the new red bar going lower than the last green bar. Red bars continue to form as price remains lower, but it's not an overly strong bearish continuation. Even before these more recent green bars appeared, the red bars were relatively flat and never went significantly lower. It was a similar situation with price, which was relatively flat and only slightly bearish. So even though there was the ideal bearish saucer setup that initially drove price lower for one day, bearish momentum was not sustained and bullish momentum never grew significantly. The next decisive event only comes when there's a clear close under this defined support level that's accompanied by a steady decline in both price and values of the Awesome Oscillator.